Hello, and a wonderful day to you. I'll tell you, it's a wonderful, beautiful even. It's an on-passive day. It's just sunshiny and blue skies here in North Carolina. And I wanted to do a little video that was based on a response I got on a YouTube where there was a founder that actually says, hey, can somebody explain what on-passive is and what on-passive does or will do? So I thought, well, I guess that's pretty basic. So I wanted to get a video done. And to answer the first question, OnPassive at its core is an AI IT company that builds fully autonomous SaaS products, which are software as a service products. And we do that using the latest software technologies, and we use it for our global customer base. Now, what do we actually do? Well, we accelerate, um, we transform businesses from strategy to design, from implementation to management, through innovation and fresh perspectives and technology, right? With a wide range of AI products and solutions, we reinvent business models so you can achieve greater success in a fully connected world with solutions that are easy to use, adapt, and even scale up. Okay, I'm going to get back to the nuts and bolts of the business, but right now I need to explain something that's paramount to understanding OnPassive. More than 3 years ago, our CEO, Mr. Ash Mufareh, wrote a vision statement that said the effects of OnPassive would be that of a global stimulus plan. Now, that has not changed. In keeping with that, OnPassive has been established with what we call AI with heart, which simply means we're using advanced technology with compassion in an effort to lift the human condition. It means the OnPassive business model can gently force your success if you will accept the help. This success means that you will eventually have more than enough to meet your needs, enough even to share with those less fortunate. And that is the goal. OnPassive knows when we have our needs met, our natural inclination is to help others, right? And if you will embrace the business model as intended, OnPassive can help you to get to the point where you have that kind of freedom, where you have enough time and money to be the best version of yourself and to share that with the world. Okay, now back to the nuts and bolts of OnPassive. I think we previously talked about a wide range of AI products and solutions that are easy to use, adapt, and scale. So, okay, so those are the real quick and dirty answers to those two questions. But let's unpack that a little bit, so to speak, because the way I see it, OnPassive has five main parts. Now, it's got some brick and mortar offices and factories, right? The offices are located on several continents. Our main IT hub is in India. The factories are to produce physical products, hundreds of them, and they're going to be coming from collaboration, right? The work being done in our innovation laboratories, InnoLab for short. Now, the third thing is InnoLabs. So we've got, so far, let me just kind of start over. We've got the offices, we've got the factories, and the third thing is we've got innovation labs. And these are semi-autonomous organizations that use a diverse, if I can use that word, collection of people, which is to say techs, software developers, engineers, right? Some PhD level brainards, and they're all engaged in open collaboration to create, develop, and prototype radical solutions to known challenges, as well as creating products and technologies that are new. So that's what we're doing there. And then the fourth thing we've got is data centers, right? And these are environments that provide processing storage, networking, management, and distribution of data all within a business, right? They are more or less a hybrid business that's made up of three things: real estate, technology, and service. And the work that goes on in the data centers is the data housing and management for that company that owns them, and the same types of services that are being rendered by other companies or to other companies to generate income. Now, the fifth element that we have here, the fifth core element, is the digital one. It's probably the one that's of greatest interest to the individual online person or entrepreneur, right? And this is what we call the OnPassive ecosystem, the OES for short. And this is a revolutionary software as a service, SaaS, SaaS, solution platform. And it is created to automate business growth and accelerate the innovation in that business, right? It's a modern one-stop solution that'll transform business intelligence and insights. Uh, it also assists users in their journey to gain uh, data-driven strategic insights through the power of artificial intelligence for your business. So I know that was a bit long-winded. Well, what does all this mean? Well, it means that OnPassive is an AI information technology company with some great products and some really massive potential. It means that some of those products are fresh, easy to use digital products that are all wrapped around the AI software technologies, and that brings us cutting edge innovation and automation, not only to your business, but to the online business model as well. So, what, you may ask, is software as a service? SaaS, what they call it, right? Well, it's a software licensing and delivery model that licenses centrally located, centrally hosted software on a subscription basis. It's also known as on-demand software or web-based or web-hosted software. In OnPassive's case, it's comprehensive, meaning that we've got everything that you need to create, to operate, to maintain, and to grow your online business or presence all in one space, right? Now, what exactly are these products? Well, they're the things that are going to help build and support every facet of your online business or presence, right? It goes from the naming of your business to the hosting, to the marketing and traffic, to putting earnings in your wallet as you create and scale your success. It's going to do it all for you. Now, OnPassive's software as a service portion of the whole of OnPassive is what we call the OnPassive ecosystem that I mentioned earlier, the EOS or the OES. Now, the ecosystem that I'm talking about houses the marketing platform, the AI software, and all of the digital products. And to help understand what this is, think of it as a digital ecosystem, right? An adaptive distributed system, meaning that it's shared, it's spread out and shared, right? It operates organizationally and it recognizes or uses the interaction between people and technology in the work that gets done. And in this way, OnPassive, its ecosystem, has properties of self-organization, scalability, and sustainability that literally erupts with value. Now, when we talk about value, we're talking about something that's kind of subjective. I mean, if you look at it, everybody's probably got a little bit of a different idea on what value is. But value overall has to do with how much something is worth, either in terms of cash or in terms of the importance that we might place on it. So when I say value erupts from OnPassive, I'm referring to more than just regular value. I'm referring to what we call above or over market value, which refers to the value our products have through their ability to work better and be more useful than similar products that are currently on the market. So we're not just talking about things like price or interconnectivity or scalability, though that's all part of it. We're also talking about some really advanced features and functionality. Some of these things are unique, some are futuristic. All of them have been created from the ground up, and they are integrated within the system and automated through the use of our AI. Even the machine learning use, a subcategory of that AI, has been written by OnPassive. Some have technology that have never been seen in the market before, and some others are still yet considered what we call, quote unquote, disruptive. Now, when we say disruptive, we're referring to an ability to upset the apple cart, if you will, right? The market, so to speak, by offering products having more value than what's currently out there. Having more value in that they are easier to use, they have more features, more functionality, they have less cost, things like that. It makes them more valuable. And here you can see a list of the digital products that are already integrated into the OnPassive OES. And each of these are automated through the use of AI and integrated into each other. And this simply means that we have created them to work together automatically and seamlessly as components of the whole system. That's what we mean when we said earlier in this video that we build fully autonomous SaaS products. Now, additionally, there are core functionalities that run throughout many of these products, if not every one of them. For instance, if you take the product O-Connect, right, it has video capabilities because it is a teleconferencing webinar video program, platform rather, right? It has video capabilities that can also be seen in O-Cademy, which is an online educational platform, O-Mail, which is a state-of-the-art communication platform, O-Capture, which is an image and video capture platform, among others, right? AI plays a crucial role in the automation and cross functionality of every product in the ecosystem, as well as the entire marketing platform. Now, you may want to stop the video here and take a closer look at some of these products. And we know that there are a few more right now on the way, and they're shown here. If you look at that little red thing here, it says coming soon in the center of the product wheel. Furthermore, OnPassive will be creating new products from the ongoing R&D, right, research and development in the InnoLabs, and these products, both digital and physical, are going to be rolled out month after month for years, right? OnPassive is going to be starting a public debut pretty quick. Yeah, that's the right word, debut. It's going to be opening to the public with several of these products, and we expect to dominate the market with a wonderful, cutting-edge, streamlined selection of products. Some of these have never been before seen or given to the world. So we're going to take a little look at some of the first ones coming around, right? The names and descriptions of some of the digital products the world's going to see soon. Now, the first three, O-Mail, O-Net, and O-Trim, are going to be the first three out, and those will be free to the public. O-Mail is an email platform using AI technology in a domain-based email platform. I hope you get that. You might want to Google it. Domain-based platform. It has unlimited storage, text to speech, and vice versa, so it can read your email to you. It's got on and offline calendar integration. You can integrate your emails across multiple devices. It's got mapping capabilities and a ton of other stuff, right? Now, O-Net is a unified social media platform, right? It's got futuristic, immersive features that are designed to enhance your global networking, right? We want you fully connected in a fully connected world. It has advanced AI tech to be used for fitting your personal requirements. You can do clubs and events. It's got different types of media. You can send images and text and audio and video and connect to others individually or in groups, and just a ton of other stuff in it as well. Now, O-Trim is for branded links, giving you the shortest way to do things with your URLs that you want to do. And you heard my puppy barking at another puppy outside. Sorry about that. This is a custom URL shortener that makes the URL, a longer URL, really easy to send, share, broadcast, or publicize on social media and other platforms. And O-Trim can track URLs created by registered users, and it can access those users' location and a whole lot more. So these are going to be the first three free products out from OnPassive, and there's going to be a lot more free products coming out too. Now, the first product offered by OnPassive that is not free, offered through a subscription, will be O-Connect. Now, O-Connect is a very sophisticated web conferencing platform equipped with a detailed dashboard to track attendance, and utilize in-meeting chat operations or options to improve the engagement that you have in every connection that you make. It's got high quality audio and video, so it's going to be easy to record and replay meetings anytime you want. It's got one-click uploads, on-demand viewing, speech to text. It's got real-time auto language translation. Uh, Incidentally, that's so that people that are watching a webinar, right, locally in a local region can understand the presenter's language. And there's a lot of other tools available too, like music and calculators and timers, celebratory themes, right? Birthday or a holiday, that sort of thing. There's background noise blockers. There's just tons of stuff in it. Now, the O-Connect online meeting platform helps with real-time teamwork and even allows dual screen sharing, right? Quite simply, it's going to provide a much better, easier way for all of us to stay connected in a virtual world. And you can check it all out on www.onpassive.com to learn some more. So please also stay tuned for more updates and check out the links that are in the description box below so that you can actually see other things and keep up with a lot of the information that's going to be floating around. So getting back to our first questions, what is OnPassive? Well, at its core, it's a company that builds autonomous software as a service products, which is everything you need in one place, all integrated, connected, so that you can be a lot more successful with whatever you do online. And what do? We make you more successful online. We accelerate and transform your business. We take it from strategy all the way through to put the money in your wallet, and we even give you the wallet, right? Through a wide range of AI products and solutions, we will reinvent your business and make you a lot more successful. So thank you very much. I appreciate you listening to this. I hope that it was good for you, and I hope that you get some good information and some good ideas, and that you'll actually go to onpassive.com, check us out, see what we're doing. We've got a lot of things coming up here. We're not publicly open yet, but it's on the way. We've got some things that we've got going on in the background, and it won't be long before you'll be starting to hear us and see us. So for right now, go to onpassive.com. You can actually register and you can be some of the first to get these free products when they come out. Thank you so much. I hope that you have an absolutely wonderful, wonderful day.